So it has American Racing headers, rotofab, and a tune. That's all that's done to this. Bolt-on Chevy SS, headers, intake. It has flex fuel too, I forgot about that. That's what it made. If this is flat, like this one is, replace it.
Very nice. How much?
$20.
Sorry we didn't get actual video of doing the cam swap. I had no intentions on making a video, but it kind of happened. Chevy SS stock heads. We just did BTR stage 2 Century blower cam, some head studs, BTR lifters. It already has American Racing 2-inch headers, stock MPP mufflers, rotofab, and a ported intake manifold on flex fuel. So we'll see how it does with the BTR cam. Well, first pull, first flash, we're up 64 horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of torque. Second pull. So third pull, we just revved it out a little higher to see how it does. And it's nice because it doesn't just nose dive like a lot of cams do. It peaks and then just keeps holding and then slowly edges off. The stock cam baseline numbers were 404 horsepower and 402 foot-pounds of torque. Remember, this is a LS3 with 2-inch headers, rotofab intake, flex fuel, and a ported intake manifold. The final numbers for the BTR Century Stage 2 cam and the 40 thousandths head gasket were 474 horsepower and 441 foot-pounds of torque. That's not bad gains at all. That's 70 wheel horsepower and 39 foot-pounds of torque gains. That's at peak. Had larger gains under peak and after peak, which isn't bad for a cam swap only and a head gasket that's 11 thousandths thinner. So it bumped the compression from 10.7 to 1 to 11 to 1. So how can I trans tune on the dyno? So this is load, and I can increase and decrease load. So load's on. See how the mile per hour slowed down? I'm gonna turn it off, and it's gonna speed up. That's no gas, no foot on the gas. Load on. Simulates road conditions. Load off. It's just a free spinning dyno. You can't trans tune without mode control.
Another one.
Go ahead and leave a comment, let me know what you want to see next. This car we plan on doing heads and then supercharging it later. We're going to do a pro charger on this car since my car has the ported LSA, so we're going to do a different route on this car. Make sure you go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and comment down below what you want to see next.